Today we'll see how to replace the drive belt on the Stages SB20 Smart Bike. I rate the effort 5 out of 10 since we have to remove the flywheel. Let's start by removing the plastic covers. Here's a quick review of how to remove the front and side covers. See the links below to my other videos where we cover this topic in much greater detail. Let's remove the flywheel. Remove the vertical hex bolt first, and then slide off the drive belt. For drive belt replacement, we only have to loosen the bolts on the drive side and the non-drive side. It's okay to leave the tensioners attached. Like we've done before, we remove the 4 connectors and then the lower control board. Then it's 2 bolts and we can remove the brake stay. We need to support the flywheel. I use a 2x6 piece of lumber and a rolled up towel. Now you just slide the flywheel out with bolts and tensioners still attached. You can now remove the old drive belt. Let's learn more about the product codes for the Gates replacement belt. We need a timing belt from the Gates GT2 or GT3 product lines. These belts have carbon reinforced curvilinear teeth with an 8mm pitch. Our belt needs 200 teeth, so that gives us a pitch length of 1600. And finally, we're looking for a standard width of 12mm. Here are the old and new belts together. See the comments for a link to my blog post with further details and how to order a replacement belt. Alright, let's get this belt on the bike. Position the belt out of the way so we can slide the flywheel back into the frame. Snap the tensioners in place. Reinsert the brake stay and tighten its 2 bolts. Reinstall the lower control board and its 4 connectors. You can now spin the new belt onto the cogs. The new belt is slightly wider, but it fits perfectly. You should now follow the links to my video on tensioning and aligning the belt. Let's wrap this up. Tighten the drive side axle first, then the non-drive side. Tighten the vertical hex bolt. All that's left is replacing the plastic covers. We've done it before. Here's a quick review. Start on the non-drive side and finish on the other. That's it. You now know how to replace the SB20 drive belt. Please follow the link to my blog for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.